divisions. The field, Andy Lobel on the rail, then came Handle with Karen Peter Houghton. Leader's Dream was next. Nick Gawanthus Leroy. Shirley's Bow, Bill Popfinger in the bike. Tarport Hep and Jerry Graham. And the New Zealand bred Young Quinn and Joe Marsh. The call of track announcer Gil Levine.
On the inside, there's Handle with Care and Leader's Dream out there for the early lead, banging up between horses into their turn. Go Shirley's Bow. Leader's Dream takes the lead. Shirley's Bow out there second. Handle with Care third. Tarport Hep out there fourth, racing in fifth to the quarter. Nick Gawanthus Leroy, Young Quinn in sixth. Andy Lobel at the end. Down to the quarter, up on the front end, Shirley's Bow takes the lead. Leader's Dream is second, up on the outside, Tarport Hep third. The quarter in a bristling 27-4. That's Tarport Hep now moving up with Young Quinn after in second. Racing in third is Shirley's Bow in fourth, Leader's Dream. Racing fifth to the club turn, Handle with Care, Nick Gawanthus Leroy and Andy Lobel. Young Quinn leads the length over to the half mile, racing second, Tarport Hep. Shirley's Bow is third with Leader's Dream fourth. They move off the half-mile mark in 56-2. On the front end, it's Young Quinn, the leader, a length and a half. Racing in second position is Tarport Hep with Leader's Dream coming on third. Handle with Care moves up fourth. Racing in fifth, Shirley's Bow. Nick Gawanthus Leroy is sixth, trailing the field. Andy Lobel. Young Quinn stays a length and three-quarters. Tarport Hep is racing second. Leader's Dream is third. Down along the rail fourth. Shirley's Bow by the three-quarters. 125 and fourth. It's the world's records in jeopardy. On the front end, Young Quinn leads by two. Racing in second is Tarport Hep. In the lane, it's Young Quinn by three. Tarport Hep. Closing ground is Shirley's Bow. Young Quinn's under urging. Shirley's Bow comes on. That's Shirley's Bow taking the lead. Young Quinn racing second. Shirley's Bow, Young Quinn, Tarport Hep. But it's Shirley's Bow. At mile 155, 5, Shirley's Bow, the unofficial winner.